Let's be honest, maraming advertisers ang nakapansin ng big changes sa performance ng campaigns nitong November at December. And it's not because anyone did something wrong. May malaki lang talagang nag-shift sa system. By the way, my name is Ken Baiza, your Facebook Ads and Automation Master. For over 10 years, I've been running ads and helping thousands of business owners, entrepreneurs, real estate professionals, online sellers, and OFWs build campaigns that contributed to 6-figure, 7-figure, even 8-figure results in their own businesses. And ngayong taon, isa ito sa pinaka-big changes na nakita ko. Marami ang nakapansin ng shift tulad ng higher ad costs, slower inquiries, campaigns behaving differently, same efforts, different results. At nangyari pa to sa buwan na traditionally busy for many industries, December. December usually brings strong momentum. Pero this time, maraming bigla ang nag-iba sa delivery at optimization behavior. Importante lang malaman, this wasn't caused by advertisers. Meta rolled out a major update called Andromeda. At dahil dito, nagbago ang optimization signals, audience evaluation, creative scoring, at delivery structure. Kaya maraming nag-iba sa performance across different accounts. While many were trying to understand what shifted, I spent weeks studying Andromeda, testing campaigns, checking patterns, analyzing data. And I discovered the new structure na gumagana going into 2026. December is a unique month dahil sa holiday activity. And January is one of the strongest months para mag-reset ng momentum. That is why I'm hosting something special, a free one-day web class, why Facebook ads shifted after Andromeda, and what you can do to prepare for 2026. This is a live one-night only training and completely free. Yes, libre to. Gusto ko lang makatulong sa community by sharing the updated structure and the new approach for 2026. In this session, pag-uusapan natin what changed inside the system, how Andromeda processes signals, the updated 2026 targeting structure, the types of creatives the system now prefers, how to stabilize performance, and how to prepare your ads for a strong start in 2026. Clear, practical, and beginner-friendly. So, if you want clarity before the new year, if you want fresh strategies for 2026, and if you want to understand the system better, join my free one-day web class training. Click the button below to secure your spot. Make sure to register now. We have limited seats only. Let's enter 2026 with clarity, confidence, and the right strategy. Breakthrough year natin ito, kaya gusto ko nakasama ka dito. Click the button below now.